The Quantum 950 motor is engineered to last as much as 2.5 times longer than its peers. It boasts a 7-year warranty on the motor and a lifetime warranty on the blade and motor drive coupling. Combine that with our quiet blend technology, plus a full-featured programmable capacitive display, and you can quickly see why this blender will become the standard in high-volume locations. And of course, with Hamilton Beach Commercial's patented wave action technology, you can count on a super creamy drink profile every time. To maintain drink profile consistency across multiple orders, Quantum comes with 30 programs preloaded, and additional custom programs can be uploaded via USB drive. The capacitive touchpad has a scrolling display, comes with 10 languages preloaded, and offers 5 programmable buttons that you can assign to your priority blends. The pulse option can be set to pulse anywhere from 5 to 100% power, and any buttons can be deactivated to minimize operator error. The Quantum 950 is built for high volume and engineered to stand the test of time. Where traditional blenders require a motor replacement when the motor brushes wear down, the Endura motor technology in the Quantum means there are no brushes to wear out. We are so confident in this motor design that we offer a 7-year warranty on the motor. This power and reliability comes with the comfort of one of the quietest blenders in the world, helping you maintain the ambiance you desire. As soon as the quiet shield is open, the motor stops automatically, further minimizing noise and preventing unnecessary wear and tear on the clutch and jar. Cleaning is a snap. Just slide the clips forward, remove the quiet shield and jar pad, and hand wash. That's it. The Quantum 950 is a revolution in high-performance commercial blending and comes with the warranty to match. Globally, we offer a 7-year warranty on the motor, a lifetime warranty on the blade and motor coupling, and 3 years parts and labor on the rest. In the US, we also offer free replacement warranty for the first 2 years. If for some reason we can't get you back up and running over the phone, we'll send you a free replacement unit. Plus, if you ever need support, you can rely on our worldwide network of service centers to be there. You can see why we call it a Quantum Blend Forward. Now that's more good thinking from Hamilton Beach Commercial. To find out more about our products, warranties, and other technical information, visit our website at hamiltonbeachcommercial.com.